Hi beauties, it's Erica with Theebeautybuff and welcome back to my channel. If you enjoy a channel full of beauty, fashion, and lifestyle, then please consider subscribing below. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Give this video a thumbs up and then comment down below and let me know if you enjoyed it. On this channel, we just like to relax and let loose and get away from the everyday grind. So if you will with me, take in a good deep breath, exhale, and let's get to this video. Today's video is on the top 5 bronzers that I have in my collection. I know some of you may be like, bronzers in the winter time, isn't that more for summer, sun-kissed skin? And I don't think so. I think bronzers are more for like year-round. Some people like to contour instead of bronze. I like to bronze instead of contour. I think bronzers look more natural, less harsh than a contour, but they both have their place. And if you like contour, then by all means contour. I have contoured in the past, but I just find myself bronzing more often just because like I said, I think it looks more natural, and I'm more into like a natural makeup look. In the winter it's more like natural glowy type skin. In the summer it's more natural matte, but whatever it be, summer, fall, winter, spring, it's going to be more like a natural look for me. I really don't like too much of a heavy foundation or full coverage. I'm more of like a medium coverage, or even light coverage sometimes depending on what the occasion is. But like I said, to me a bronzer fits in all year. It's just a way to bring back more color into your face, more structure into your face. You know, once you put the foundation on, you kind of have like this blank canvas, and you want to bring in more structure, more color, more definition, and you can bronze doing that. So I'm going to share with you some of the bronzers that I use. All of these bronzers are old. I've had them in my collection for probably at least a year or two. I don't have any new bronzers just because the ones that I have I love. That's why I'm giving you my top 5. I do have more bronzers than what I'm showing you now, but these are like my go-to, the ones that I love, the ones that I know that work, the ones I don't have any issues with, the ones that if I need to bronze and I'm in a hurry and I need to run out the door, I know I'm not gonna, you know, make a mistake and put too much on and have to sit there and blend it out, or worry that it's too harsh when I go out. All these actually are more give me that more soft bronze glow or bronze look, more natural look that I'm looking for. I think I'm going to rank them. I'll tell you, tell you why or whatever. Coming in at number 5 is my Terracotta Bronzer by Guerlain, and this is in Intense 009, and it looks like this. This bronzer comes in at number 9 because of the color. I think it's a little, just a tad bit, little dark and orange. So me, I like a bronzer that's more neutral, and this one leaves kind of more orange on me. Don't get it twisted. I love this bronzer. It is in my top 5, but like I said, it is at 5, and it's for that reason. It's more like that orange color, a little bit more darker than I like, but it blends out very well. It's smooth, it's buttery. I have no problems blending it out. If I do put on too much, like, I can just blend really quick and I'm done. Like, I don't have to sit there and blend in order to, like, soften it up or make it look more natural. With this bronzer, I can go in really quick. It is deep, which is kind of quicker because it's that deeper color, so I can just put in, just tap my brush in just lightly, put it on, and I'm really done. But if for some reason I go overboard, it is easier for me to blend it out. So coming in at number 5 is my Guerlain Terracotta Bronzer in Intense 06. Coming in at number 4 is my Fenty Beauty Bronzer in Beige and Gal. And that bronzer looks like this, and I'll give you a view of like each one on my hand or whatever as I'm talking. But Beige and Gal is my number 4, and it's just because this is kind of like a lighter bronzer. I think if I would have went down, not sure if it was going to be too dark. I never tried the one like darker than this, but this one is kind of, it bronzes me really well, but it looks really natural. Like it's just a tad bit too light to me. but like I said, it's buttery, it blends out very well. I have no issues going ham with this one, especially because it's lighter on my skin. Like this one I can just go in on and go ham with, and I don't have to worry about it being too harsh or having any issues with this one. But I love the consistency of it, like the way it's made, like it's so buttery, it blends out so well. But I just wish it was like a tad bit darker. So coming in at number 4 is Beijing Gal by Fenty Beauty. Coming in at number 3 is Charlotte Tilbury, and this is the Airbrush Bronzer. It is in 310, and this one is huge. Looks like this. This one is kind of the same as Fenty, it's just a tad bit too light. It blends out really well. I do like the consistency of it compared to my top, you know, 1 and 2. It is like just a little bit, I would say, more buttery than the Guerlain and Fenty, but it's a great bronzer. It's a lot in here, but it is expensive, so that's why they give you a lot, which they should. But like I said, this one I really enjoy. I just wish it was like a tad bit darker, but this one is number 3, Charlotte Tilbury. My number 2, I'm pretty sure you all seen this a lot in my past videos. It is Natasha Denona, and it is the Tan Bronze and Glow palette, and it is this bronzer here. This bronzer, it is very natural. Some may think it is a little too light maybe when I use it, but like coming off like in real life, it is perfect. It's just the perfect color. It's not too dark, it's not too light. It's like, it gives me like that natural look that I'm looking for. It's really creamy, really buttery. It blends out really well. I do my nose contour with this because I have no issues at all with it. I don't have to worry about, you know, going ham or anything like that. It's just a really, overall, really good bronzer. I hate that it comes in this little small square, but I think she probably does have like bronzers now. I just haven't purchased it. I just like this one. But yeah, if you haven't gotten the tan, what is it, the Tan Bronze and Glow palette, you should try it, because this bronzer right here, it's awesome. It's perfect. So coming in at number 2, Natasha Denona. Now my all-time favorite bronzer goes to Anastasia, and this is Saddle. If you look here closely, you see I've hit pan. This one, I don't know if I've used it in a lot of videos. Maybe I have, just because I haven't made videos in so long, so I'm not sure what products I use. But this one, I actually started using the other bronzers more just because I hit pan on this, and I'm like, I don't want to run out, even though I can get another bronzer. But it's just like, I love it so much that you see evidence of the use of this. I will say it is soft, it's kind of powdery, so I think that's especially why it has like that dent in it, but it is awesome. It blends out like a dream. It's the perfect color. I have no problem going in with this. It's not too dark, it's not too light, it's not too orange. It's just that perfect color, perfect consistency. It blends out perfect. It's nothing that I can say negative about this, just that it's powdery, but I love it. So if you've never tried the Anastasia bronzers, I would give them a try. This one is in Saddle. I love it. Like I said, it's nothing I can say about it that's negative. And if you are a bronzer lover and you don't have this one in your collection, I do recommend that you try it. 10 out of 10. I highly recommend. So my number 1 is Anastasia Beverly Hills Saddle. So I hope you enjoyed the video today on the top 5 bronzers in my makeup collection. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future uploads. Give this video a thumbs up, and then comment down below and let me know what bronzers do you have in your collection that you think I should go out and purchase or give a try. And as always, thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. Please remember to spend some time with God as well, and I hope to see you in my next video.